Welcome back in. It is great to have you along on this Monday night where we have an alert day ahead for our Tuesday. And here's the details of what we're going to be expecting. The chance of some storms that will be erupting into the early afternoon. The biggest threat is going to be some high wind gusts, but also some hail. And while it's a much lower risk, I can't rule out the threat. We could get a tornado or two into our area for tomorrow afternoon. We're going to be on top of it, give you the latest as we go through the course of the day. Good opportunity as well. Set that alarm early. You could tune into meteorologist Ryan Weekman first thing tomorrow morning on WTOL 11. Mid to upper 70s to rain around 80 degrees, but just high levels of humidity. You could feel it in the air. It's a very sticky, steamy August feel, and much of the area is going to be dry tonight, so there's no risk of any severe weather overnight tonight. My attention is going to be out here to the north and to the west. That's the complex of storms that's going to race into our area by tomorrow that will bring us the chance of severe weather. Quick update on what was Hurricane Debbie made landfall earlier today, but what's going to unfold over the next 24 to 48 hours. Tropical storm Debbie is now going to slowly churn up the eastern seaboard, and the torrential flash flooding is going to be a significant risk. In fact, could be record-breaking amounts of rainfall that do fall across the Carolinas, South Carolina to North Carolina. We're talking 12 to 24 inches of rain in the next 24 to 48 hours. Will be a significant flooding concern, but no impact to our area. That will scoot up the eastern seaboard. And speaking of just east of us, off the eastern shores of Lake Erie, did you hear about this today? An EF1 tornado began as a waterspout over eastern Lake Erie and came onshore directly in downtown Buffalo. Was on the ground for 1.4 miles, max winds of 90 miles per hour, and at one point did do some damage, churning up and flipping a roof over. Some incredible sights that came out of Buffalo. Other side of the Lake Erie, back here closer to home, it's fairly quiet now, but we may see this area of strong to severe storms tomorrow afternoon, evening, perhaps even with the latest data. I'm expecting that may be expanding westward overnight tonight, so we're going to watch that very close. I'll put our impact level a 2 out of 5, which means we may see some storms with gusty winds, heavy rain, and downpours. Now, the timing of it, I'm going to give you a wide range here, noon to 8 p.m. That's when we're expecting those storms to happen. Severe risk is going to be possible, and this time of the year, we have outdoor sports and practices that already started. So I want you to be alert during the afternoon tomorrow for the risk of those storms. The rest of the night tonight, it is going to be quiet overnight tonight. May get some morning showers, rumbles of thunder. That is not expected to be severe in the morning. It will be noon at the earliest. We get some storms that will be strong to severe by lunchtime and by 2 p.m. Here's the concern. These clusters of storms could pack some high winds, a large hail, and torrential downpours that will come into the area. Again, noon to 8 p.m. Still holding on to some of those storms through 5 p.m. here, and may not see that severe weather risk end until about 8 o'clock on Tuesday evening. For tonight, warm and humid, that isolated storm threat right around 70 for the overnight low. We'll sneak into the 80s tomorrow. Those storms on and off into the afternoon could be strong to severe, which is why we've highlighted Tuesday with an alert day. Upper 70s, less humid Wednesday. Look at Thursday, Friday, back into the low 80s. And the weekend ahead looks spectacular for August. No rain in sight Saturday and Sunday. Highs close to 80 degrees.